Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Nest Hub. This is the 7-inch second generation. It is currently just a few days before Christmas, so I picked this up at Best Buy for like $59 plus a $5 certificate I had at Best Buy. Plus it came with a free Matter-enabled smart bulb, RGB, all that kind of stuff for free. Don't have that yet, it's being shipped, but I did pick this up from my local Best Buy today, so we're going to go ahead and unbox it. My first Google Home accessory, I usually use Alexa, but I figured, hey, this thing is like mad cheap on sale. So we're going to try it out and see how it goes. Just something to put on my desk. I still do have the Alexa in my bedroom. So I'm going to put this on my desk and try it out there if I can get it open. There we go. So go ahead and slide this out of the box. There we go, that's what it looks like. Nice compact. I think my Alexa is like 8 or 9 inches. So this looks a tiny bit smaller, but I like how the speaker's kind of like the base. It's not the whole like big back. It looks kind of sleek and thin and all that kind of stuff. I don't believe this one has a camera on it. I don't see one. It looks like it's got 2 microphones, some kind of sensor here, probably ambient light sensor of some sort right there. And then that, excuse me, this switch right here for muting the microphone on the back, and your power input right there. Looks like probably volume rocker right there. And then in the box here, got your power adapter in this little box here. Let's see. There we go. Nice little power adapter. I wish it was USB-C or something, but it's just a proprietary barrel jack connector, not detachable from the adapter at all or anything like that. But there it is. That is the Google Nest 7-inch second generation. I guess Nest Hub is what it technically is. Again, like I said, this is my first one. Yeah, Nest Hub. It does support Matter, Thread, all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to, like I said, set this up on my desk for now. Maybe I'll get another one and move it to my bedroom. I don't know yet. We'll see how it goes. But like I said, for $50, I'm just trying it out. Colin here with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.